Hello YouTube, the Scientist Kid here again. In today's video, we're going to be trying to make our own DIY chloroform. Let's get right into it.
This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
So here's all of our ingredients. We have our 8.25% concentrated bleach and our acetone. And firstly, we're gonna get 496 milliliters of bleach, and we're gonna measure out 15 milliliters of acetone and put it to the side. All right, as you can see, I have the two ingredients weighed out, and I'm gonna simply just make sure that the stirring is on. Put it in an ice bath and have it chill to about 0 degrees or so. You're gonna slowly add this. A dropper would probably be more efficient, but I don't have that because I'm broke. Alright, and you're just gonna let that stir for a while. As you can see, we actually have a change in color, which I was not expecting that. But just I'll let it keep spinning, and I'll bring you back in a little bit. Alright, and as you can see, we actually have a good bit of chloroform at the bottom, and I'm gonna decant the top layers off, but make sure you don't put those down the drain. I'll put in the description how to dispose of it. Alright, as you can see, I was only able to get about 4 milliliters of chloroform, which is not a good yield, but I mean, this is like the first time trying it, so it's not that bad. And something you can do is wash this with a saturated solution of sodium chloride and then decant off the bottom layer of chloroform again. I believe you use equal amount of the saturated solution or just slightly less. I don't really think it matters much. And then you can pour it into a container with calcium chloride to further clean it, and then you can distill off the chloroform using a distillation apparatus, but my distillation apparatus I bought from Amazon hasn't arrived yet, so I'll be doing that off camera. And that's the whole thing. I'm gonna put this in my, make sure you use a non-clear container because chloroform makes some bad stuff when exposed to daylight. Probably need to do the bottom, but there we go.